Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Desiree and today's look is going to be this purple unicorn. We're going to start off by prepping our face. OMG, I got 2 nose piercings thanks to my best friend Carla. It was my birthday gift. Okay, going straight into the tutorial, we're going to use some BH Cosmetics foundation, and this is in the shade Ivory. It is totally way lighter than my skin tone, but it works for this look, so use any light foundation that you already have in your arsenal. And then I'm going to go ahead and conceal with some ColourPop concealer, and this is in one of the lightest shades. I think it's called Light Fair. Anyway, whatever lightest concealer that you already have, just place that on, highlight as normal, and then just go ahead and blend out with a sponge. And next we're going to set everything, so I'm using the NYX Cosmetics HD setting powder. Definitely be careful with this stuff. I forgot how the finish was, so it was kind of weird, but it ended up working in the end. Again, not to use one of my favorite palettes from BH Cosmetics. This is the Weekend Festival palette. I'm going to be going into the purples, the blues, and the oranges. Starting off with the dark matte purple, I'm going to start it at the inner corner of my brow here and extend that down my nose. I'm going to use it on the outer corner and then extend it outward towards my ear. I slowed down the process of the eye shading just so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So let me know if you like this process better. It does make the videos a tad bit longer, but you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Moving on to the pink, we're just going to put that on right next to the purple, as you can see right here, and then just blending it in. I didn't have an actual idea for this look. I just kind of went in for it and it ended up working out. We are going to conceal our lids or cut our crease here, and then I'm going to go in with this shimmery aqua teal color that's in the palette as well, and I'm just going to pack that on with a flat shader brush. I did try to use the darker blue that's in the palette, but as you can see, it just ended up looking like a matte version of that blue, so I just went in with it. But then right here it does look blue. I don't know. Anyway, inner corner blue, and then I just went in and started contouring with the same purple and pink, and I also blended a little bit of orange into the whole mix. So just to add a little bit of depth in the look, I'm going to go into the NYX Cosmetics Brights palette. I'm using this dark purple, using it on the inner corners of my brows, on the tip of my nose, and I'm also going to contour just to make the contour a little bit more extravagant. And then to do my brows, I'm actually going to use a liquid lipstick, and this one is from Sally's Beauty. I'll list the name down below. So I'm just going to start carving out my brows here, just however you like, thin, thick, whatever is your preference. I just kind of went with my own eyebrow shape and then started to extend it down towards my nose here, like in a boxy shape, just to have it really, really defined. I'm going to use the same liquid lipstick for my liner here. This was a little bit tricky because I've never used this actual product as liner, but ended up becoming really creamy. It took a little bit of finesse, but it ended up working out pretty good. And then we're going to use the same liquid lipstick on the lips just to make this a cohesive look. Now for the fun stuff, I'm going to use some jewels and gems from the Gypsy Shrine. I'm going to place this on my forehead and under my eyes. I will place the exact one that I used down below, but it's like a pink iridescent set. And now for my favorite part of the tutorial, I'm going to be using some 3D glitter gel, and this is from Dermaflage or Flage, I don't know how to say it. It's going to be down below in the description box. Anyway, this is a really cool consistency. It's just a gel glitter that dries. It looks bumpy. It just, I don't know, I love it. So what I did is I decided to do some little unicorn tears. So I just started to drag it down from the actual gems itself, and then I filled in any negative space just to make everything blend together. Moving on to the neck area, I just used some water-based paints, and I started off with some purple, and then I went in with some blue and some pink. I did do a, I don't know, contour type of thing, but I ended up not liking it, so this was my second best bet. And then I went in and started highlighting with the Mayron highlighter. I'm going to place that down below too because this is like the best highlighter I've ever freaking used. It just made everything so pretty and iridescent, so I basically popped it on everywhere. And then to continue the glitter fest, I'm using the Gypsy Shrine glitter glue. I did use one of their neck pieces as well that matched the gems and jewels on my face. And then I just applied this really chunky glitter all over it with the glue itself. All of the names for the glitters and the gems will be down below, so don't worry. And now for the finishing touches, I'm going to pop on my purple contacts here. I will list these down below as well, so don't worry. And then we're gonna apply our wig. Oh my god, I love this wig. So this one is from Lake Avenue. It is like a super pastel purple pink, and then it has hints of green and blue. It's super long and pretty. Probably one of my favorites right now. We're gonna top this off with this headpiece from Lake Avenue as well, which is a unicorn piece. These little gems and jewels are kind of tricky to place on my head, but I ended up figuring it out. It also comes with a neck piece, which I put all the way at the top of my neck and then around my shoulders and arms, just for a super pretty, like, chandelier type of look. And this pretty much concludes my little purple unicorn. I ended up loving this one so much. I think this one tops my last unicorn makeup look for me. If you haven't seen that one, check that one out too. It's super popular on my page. Thank you so much to Lake Avenue for all of the costumes. I love the headpiece and the neck pieces and the wings. Everything was just perfect. If you happen to recreate any of our looks, definitely don't forget to tag us. We would love to see. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and always showing your love and support. We hope to see you in our next video. We love you. Ciao.